Is that a Supra? Damn. But that one though. That's cool, but that's cool, and 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 that's really cool. Well, it's another day and another car show. Made it out to the Cars and Cigars in Ashburn and just washed the car a couple minutes ago. But on the way coming here, there was a lot of dust and a lot of water on the road, so it's a little dirty. But it's gonna rain. Who knows? It might rain, it might not. I'm gonna go check the cars out and roll some beautiful for you guys. But for now, let's do it.
Oh, that's ISO. Rack it up, I got a bit of the bank to make me a safe house. Shake it up, she got her hands on her knees and she bringing the cake out. Smoke it up, I got some gas, some packs, I'm up in the greenhouse. Ball it up, I'm with the gang, we taking shots off the rebound. Look at my posters, say now, I've been humble too long, yeah. Tell them all to stay calm, yeah. Tell them all to move on, yeah. Look at my posters, say now, they be lost in the sauce, yeah. Took a loss, that's your loss, yeah. Had to get my point across, yeah. Heard them lasers talking out and we don't pay that no mind. Didn't need to watch them know that I'll be here in no time. Put a candle on and had to tell them they could blow mine. Lights, camera, action, ayy, shows. Smoking that dope from Edmond. We the new meth in Redmond. We ain't real blood but we brethren. Run up a check and it's pending. She talking my news, we'll send them. The fam, you a dead man. Jesus peace on my pendant. And we still independent. ISO, yeah we trending. Watch what you say, don't offend them. They keepin' it real, they commend them. People like get your wife pregnant, but I ain't tryna be dependent. I need money never ending. I'm talking 100%. I need the owner, you rent it. Whoa.
The first member of Patreon page ever, Mr. Sepp. Thank you, brother. This is your OG thing.
Let me take a look. This is exciting.
Oof. Hell yeah, bro.
The OG
I appreciate
club.
you. I appreciate it. You like it?
Bro. I love it.
Is it gonna fit you?
I hope so. Do you want me to put it on right now?
You can if you want to. It's your merch. I mean, you can get in the car and I have tinted windows, so.
Or you just like you do it and you can blur it.
No, we good. This is not to be showed on YouTube. It looks really good on you, bro. What do you think? How's the quality? Turn around. Let me see. Ooh, the OG. Hell yeah, bro. I appreciate you again.
I appreciate it, bro.
All right, that's it for now. Well, as you already seen, Cars and Cigars was actually pretty awesome and a lot of nice cars came out. Today, Sunday, go to the Cars and Coffee. I actually go through my whole week for the chance to see my friends and going to these car events every single week for the past many years. So, Cars and Coffee it is. Making my neighbors mad in 3, 2, 1. I am really sorry if you're my neighbor and watching this video. I am really sorry. But, you know, sorry, not sorry. Not sorry. 2, 1, and go! Whoa. I can't. Wait. Yeah, we're going speed limit. We're going speed limit. We are going speed limit. So just made it out to the Cars and Coffee and it's pretty awesome as always. Shoes and Chris are here and I parked right there. A lot of nice cars, so I'm just gonna roll some Beetles and like take some more videos and call it a day because everything we see here is everything we've already seen. So I'm not going to be pleased unless I'm seeing a Bugatti or a Koenigsegg, something like that. But other than that, it's just a nice Cars and Coffee to see a lot of nice. Thanks for ruining my vlog, but whatever. got back from Cars and Coffee. It was really nice, but you know, after seeing all the same cars for a long time, just get kind of over it. Anyway, I got this little mini FPV drone from BetaFPV, and it's really nice. It's a starter kit, and I always wanted to get into FPV drones, and this thing is pretty cool because, you know, getting into that FPV drone kind of world, you have to learn with something like this first. It's pretty nice. This is not sponsored or anything. They're not paying me. I bought this myself, but it's really cool. It comes with this little drone, 2 batteries, a controller, and also this, which you can actually record when you fly it. So let me just fly it a little bit. So flying an FPV drone is actually pretty awesome. I was always scared of getting myself one of those and flying it because I knew I'm gonna crash it. But with BetaFPV, the starter kit is actually pretty awesome. I've been flying for the past couple of days and I got a little bit better, but I still crashed it. I crashed it yesterday after work so bad the camera shifted, so I had to open it up and fix the camera. But it's kind of durable. It doesn't break that much. And that brings me to the end of this vlog. As always, thank you for watching, and if you enjoyed this video, make sure to like and comment and also subscribe if you're not already a subscriber. Don't forget to check my Patreon page out, become a member, and get yourself a free shirt. I'm giving out 10 free shirts to the first 10 people who become a member on my Patreon page, so make sure to get yours today, and it's gonna be only 10 of that kind of shirt that I created. And with that all being said, I will be actually flying my drone, but for you guys, this vlog is officially over, and until I see you guys in the next one. Peace. This is so fun.